What's up, everybody? It's Original Dobo, and today I have an awesome video for you guys. We are going to be doing a comparison video that you all requested against the DJI Phantom 4, which in this case it's really a Phantom 4 Advanced, but the camera's the same. And we're going to be doing a Mavic Air comparison, and we're only going to be focusing on the cameras, so get ready. The Battle Royale style is about to happen. My friend Donnie Petrell to announce today's battle for the fight, so give him a second, let Donnie Petrell come out. Hey, I'm Donnie Petrell. I'm here to announce today's fight. Flying out of the blue corner, he is the contender. He is equipped with a 12 megapixel compact sensor, capable of 30 frames per second in 4K, 100 megabits read-write speeds, enhanced HDR. He calls himself the Wanderer, the Global Roamer, the Pocket Rocket. He is the Mavic Air. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. Flying out of the red corner, he is your reigning consumer drone champion of the world. He calls himself the Little Behemoth, the Mighty Almighty, the 1-inch monster. Equipped with a 20 megapixel 1-inch sensor, mechanical shutter, 4K capable of 60 frames per second. He is your DJI Phantom 4 Pro. Flashing hands. Alrighty, drones, you know the rules. Keep it below 400 feet at all times. Don't fly over any pedestrians. And stay away from no-fly zones. Drones, I expect you to come out flying clean when the bell rings. Let's get this battle on. Did you enjoy that battle? My gosh, it was a knockdown, drag-out type of fight. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Do you like my hat? This is a fedora. It's, you know, it's what you wear when you go to a boxing fight and you want to, you know, have some swag. This was an epic shoot between the Air and the Phantom, and I'm gonna say I'm really impressed with the Air's ability to control that dynamic range. It looked really good. Like it really did. It was pretty good. Other than, you know, obviously having that crop factor, it was hard to differentiate between either one. I mean, if you were a photographer, you probably knew right away which one was which. But again, for the average consumer, it's going to be a really hard pass on this. You know, I gotta say,
I doubt it, this thing. It feels cheap, I'm not gonna lie, compared to like this. But overall, very impressive images. We have to pick a winner, obviously, because it is a battle. It's hard, it's really hard, but you know, in boxing, you have to knock the champ out to win. So from picture quality, if we're just going off that, I would give the win to the Phantom 4 Pro. But if we're looking at portability versus pictures, well, the Air is it. So here's the deal. If you want to buy either one of these, you will not be unhappy either or way you go as far as the images go. But if I had to choose just one and I was going to be traveling, I would probably choose the Air just because I can throw it in a bag and be good to go. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this comparison. I had a lot of fun shooting this. I want to thank my good friend for coming out and announcing the fight for me. It was truly a fun time, and yeah, if you liked the video, make sure you smash that like button. Lets me know you want to see more things like this. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Okay, I'm gonna get back to this editing. I thought I told you to leave. Get out of here. Go.